Hi, in a previous video I did called WordPress Wipe, What You Need to Know Before Clicking, I showed you how to create a snapshot with WP Reset, which saves your database and before you reset the site. In this video, I want to show you how to use that same snapshot and reinstate the site to how it looked before you did the wipe. Here we go. Here we are at the site that I reset. You'll see that it's defaulted back to the welcome page. If you go to the site, all it has is the Hello World post. And over here, pages, you'll only see the default pages whenever you install a fresh version of WordPress. Now, I'm going to go and bring everything that I took away back. Again, WP Reset from Tools, because that's where the snapshot is. So you go to the top, click on Snapshot, and this is the snapshot that I took. So now all I have to do in order to bring back these items that I took away is click on Actions, then go to Restore Snapshot. And again, are you sure you want to proceed? Because we're bringing everything back that we didn't want. And I'm going to say Restore Snapshot. Once again, I have to sign in. So I've signed in. Now let me go to the front page of the site. Remember before it was just the sample posts that we always get in WordPress. So let me do refresh. And there are all the posts that was previously removed when I did the reset. There, let's go back to here. There are the posts. Let's go to pages. And we're back to the default because I didn't have any other page. The only other page I had was a contact page. So that is how you very quickly and easily use the snapshot that you took when you reset the site. And if you want to go back to the site the way it was before the reset, that is the reason you do the snapshot and you can reinstate it. Okay, and that's it. I hope this helps.